Ever wondered if your ice tray might hold a secret to ageless skin? You've probably heard the buzz around the beauty hack of rubbing an ice cube on your face to reduce wrinkles. But is there any truth to this chilly skincare trend? In a world where skincare advice can be as fleeting as a Snapchat story, it's crucial to separate fact from fiction. Let's dive into the science behind this icy proposition and discover if it's a cold hard truth or just a frosty myth. This video aims to provide you with an insightful look at the potential benefits and drawbacks of using ice cubes as part of your skincare routine. So strap in and prepare for a deep dive into the frosty world of skincare hacks. Understanding the concept of ice therapy. Ice therapy, often termed cryotherapy in professional practice, leverages the responses of your skin to cold temperatures. Its utilization in skincare is a testament to its benefits. How ice therapy works in the skin. Ice therapy capitalizes on the effects of cold to contract the blood vessels beneath the skin, a process referred to medically as vasoconstriction. As such, cold induced blood flow reduction causes a decrease in swelling and inflammation at the surface level of your skin. In the case of wrinkles, ice therapy prompts the skin to react by tightening and smoothing out the lines. The cold temperature bolsters circulation once the ice is removed, as the body compensatively rushes warmer blood to the surface. Consequently, the skin receives a natural healthy flush, imparting a youthful appearance. Historical uses of cold treatments in skincare. Dating back to the ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, cold treatments have an extensive history in skincare. For instance, the Egyptians employed cold applications derived from pottery shards cooled in the Nile as anti inflammatory treatments. Fast forward to 18th century Europe, women routinely use ice cold beauty baths to revitalize their complexions. The legendary French beauty Marie Antoinette supposedly began each day with a facial massage using ice cubes. In more recent times, cryotherapy is highly regarded for its healing and restorative properties in dermatology circles. It's been used as a treatment modality in a range of skin conditions from acne to rosacea and includes wrinkle reduction, lending historical credibility to this modern day beauty hack. The science behind ice cubes and skin health. Emphasizing specifics, let's dive into the correlation between ice cubes and your skin's well being. The effects of cold on skin elasticity and blood circulation. Cold temperatures, as in the case of rubbing ice cubes on the skin, impact both skin elasticity and blood circulation. First, treating your skin with cold prompts a contraction of blood vessels, known as vasoconstriction. This swiftly reduces blood flow to the skin, thereby minimizing inflammation and swelling. Second, cold exposure enhances skin elasticity. Here's how. By decreasing the skin's warmth, ice cubes help tighten skin fibers. This action in turn augments skin firmness and enhances elasticity, giving your skin a rejuvenated, youthful look. Scientific studies on ice therapy and wrinkle reduction. Let's move forward to the intersection of ice therapy and wrinkle reduction. Scientific studies have displayed promising connections, as verified by a 2014 study published in the Annals of Dermatology. Regular ice therapy appears beneficial in increasing skin elasticity, which plays a vital role in minimizing wrinkles. A 2013 study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology shared results indicating ice therapy's effectiveness in combating aging symptoms. After regular applications of cold therapy in controlled conditions, participants noted a reduction in wrinkles and an improved overall skin appearance. These case instances illustrate the potential benefits of cold therapy. That said, individual skin responses can vary, and one should incorporate ice therapy into their skincare routine with care. More extensive clinical trials are still warranted to substantiate these findings and establish specific guidelines for optimal use and frequency of ice therapy. Benefits of using ice cubes on your face. This part delves further into the merits of applying ice cubes directly onto your face. The rewards, both instant and long term, provide a multitude of advantages for your skin. Immediate effects of ice on the skin. Upon your first application of ice to your face, you will notice a few compelling changes. The cold temperature causes your blood vessels to constrict, promoting a reduction in swelling and inflammation. Ice helps soothe irritated skin, proving beneficial if you're dealing with conditions like acne or rosacea. It adds a natural flush to your cheeks, enhancing your complexion's vibrancy and youth. Long-term benefits for wrinkle prevention. Continuous use of ice cubes on your skin can yield significant effects against aging signs. Ice therapy is particularly effective in stimulating blood circulation, which in turn revitalizes your skin, promoting a healthier complexion and reducing the appearance of face line and wrinkles. Regular ice therapy encourages skin elasticity. By closing open pores and tightening your skin, ice ensures a smoother look, helping to detain the onset of wrinkles. How to safely use ice cubes for facial care. Continuing from our previous discussions where we discussed the potential benefits of using ice cubes on your face, let's look at the proper technique to safely use ice cubes for facial care, a vital requirement for achieving desirable results. Step-by-step guide to applying ice to your face. 1. Prepare the ice cube. Select a fresh ice cube from your freezer. It's most effective when you wrap it in a clean, soft cloth. Clean your face. Always start by ensuring your face is clean. A mild, gentle pH balanced cleanser like Cetaphil or Neutrogena is often recommended. 3. Apply the ice cube. Using the cloth wrapped ice cube, gently massage your face in circular motions. A good rule to remember, always start from the center working outwards and from the bottom going upwards. 4. Massage each area. Spend about 1 to 2 minutes massaging each area of your face. This action is critical to stimulate circulation and boost skin health. 5. Dry your face. Pat your face dry with a soft towel, avoiding rubbing. Once that's done, apply your regular moisturizer to lock the benefits in. Precautions and safety tips. Applying ice directly to your skin can cause frostbite if not done correctly. Therefore, always keep the following tips in mind. Wrap it up. Don't apply ice directly to your skin. The extreme cold can harm your skin. Always use a cloth or towel to wrap it up. Don't overdo it. Overdoing the ice massage can lead to adverse effects. Treat ice therapy like any other skin treatment. Do it in moderation. Sensitive to cold? Be careful. People with conditions like cold urticaria and rosacea must consult a dermatologist before starting ice therapy. Stop at discomfort. You could experience a little discomfort, but never pain. If it hurts, you're doing it wrong. Stop immediately. Alternative methods to reduce wrinkles. Modern skincare techniques versus traditional methods. Reflect on the past to appreciate the infusion of technology in skincare. Traditional methods like the old age wisdom of applying ice on your skin have been revamped by modern skincare techniques. Innovations such as laser treatments, retinol creams, and microdermabrasion join forces with the old to unite skincare's past with its future. For instance, laser treatments leverage the power of light to stimulate collagen production, reducing the visibility of wrinkles. Then think about retinol creams. They work wonders by kickstarting the cell regeneration process, signaling your skin to create fresh, younger looking layers. Consider microdermabrasion. This procedure effectively buffs away the outermost layer of your skin, revealing a fresher, less wrinkled surface underneath. By combining ancient practices like ice therapy with such cutting edge treatments, you can curate a more powerful, synergistic skincare routine. The role of moisturizers and antioxidants. Add a generous scoop of moisturizers and antioxidants to your skin routine bowl, and you're practically hit the jackpot. When it comes to fighting wrinkles, they play an instrumental role. First, take a closer look at moisturizers. They mitigate dryness by keeping your skin supple and hydrated. When your skin is adequately moist, wrinkles and fine lines appear less pronounced. Daily moisturization effectively seals in the water content, inhibiting premature aging. Next, let's look at potential power of antioxidants. These capture and neutralize harmful free radicals, notorious for accelerating the aging process by breaking down collagen. In skincare, regularly applying antioxidants can mitigate and even reverse these effects, curbing wrinkle formation. So now you've learned that rubbing ice cubes on your face can indeed help reduce wrinkles. This age-old beauty hack known as ice therapy contracts your blood vessels and enhances your skin's elasticity, giving you a more youthful glow. But remember, it's not the only method out there. Modern treatments like laser procedures, retinol creams, and microdermabrasion can be effective complements to traditional practices. Don't forget the role of moisturizers and antioxidants either. They keep your skin hydrated and fight off free radicals, preventing premature aging. Ultimately, understanding the science behind these skincare trends is the key to achieving healthier, wrinkle-free skin.